Hey, Matt here from the all-new Blackjack Harley-Davidson. We had a customer's bike come in for something. It's a little something, I guess, that we see, but might be new to y'all, and just thought we'd point it out quick. So, customer has a leak up at this clutch cable area where we don't usually see a leak. Now, sometimes there's oil, or we put silicone grease on these so that corrosion doesn't set in, but this is a lot of oil to the point where you can see that it's been leaking for a while and it's built up on that regulator area. So the first thing that it made me think of was back in here, there's a nipple on there, and that nipple gets this little U-shaped hose on it, and that hose kind of sits like this. And that's a breather for the transmission. And the idea is anytime that you've got a sealed cavity, as it gets hot, there's pressure that has to be released. So they put this little breather on there, and the idea behind it is pressure can get out, but it would be really difficult for water to get in. What does get in there, though, are these little mud dauber wasps. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but in both ends, she is packed solid, and we can't blow through it. So we're going to try blowing through it with the compressor and see if we can clear it out. Otherwise, we're going to get a new piece of hose, and we're going to get the one that Harley sells for that, because it's got this nice bend in it so that it, of course, keeps that water from getting in there, or moisture. But that's absolutely what happens. Those wasps find that hole, they pack that thing full of mud, and that stuff dries about like concrete, and then your transmission can't get rid of that pressure. So the next possible place for that to happen is at that adjuster. And then, like I said, it just gets covered with it and blows it all over the front exhaust pipe and everywhere else. So thankfully, if you know what you're looking for, it's a fairly easy fix. But we'll get that fixed up and cleaned out and get this all cleaned off and get it back to our guy. And he'll be ready to start motoring again. You guys all stay safe out there.